Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially if you're into food, blogging, or making money online. I recently came across a game-changing digital product called the CookBook Vault, and trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. So what is it? It's a massive collection of 250 professionally written cooking and recipe ebooks, all bundled together and ready for you to rebrand, resell, or repurpose however you like. The best part? Each ebook comes with transferable private label rights, which means you can sell them as your own, give them away as lead magnets, use them to grow your blog, or even build a full-on digital cookbook brand, and you keep 100% of the profits. Now, I know creating a high-quality cookbook takes a ton of time, from recipe development and formatting to design and editing. But with this package, all of that hard work is already done for you. You just download, brand, upload, and you're in business. Whether you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, coach, or just someone who loves the food niche, this is the perfect way to build a real income stream. And get this, the entire vault, which is easily worth thousands of dollars if you had to create it yourself, is currently available for just $12. Yeah, you heard that right. $12 for 250 ebooks you can turn into your own digital empire. If you've ever wanted to start a food blog, create an ebook series, or simply make money online with done-for-you content, this is your shortcut. Check the link in the description, and don't wait too long because this deal won't last. I'll catch you in the next one.